Alright, I'm going to be shooting the Pumpmaster 760 air rifle again. This time I'm using iron sights. And what I've learned in the past little while since I made that other video is that the iron sight is actually a lot more accurate if you've got a good rest. And so I'm going to go down to about where I shot last time and I'm going to shoot. Alright, here comes shot one. Okay, I'm going to do one more shot. Alright, I'm going to go back and do one more shot. My last two were kind of off. Alright. You see those two little bitty holes right there? Those are the pellets. I would use pellets. As you can see, they're way more accurate than just BBs. The BBs are scattered off everywhere. But those two pellets I shot, the last two shots I just made when I went back, were dead on. And I was using iron sights. Alright. Alright, here's the gun I was shooting, the Pumpmaster 760. You know, it's just a $30 air gun I got at Walmart. It's got, like, I guess a True Glow sight, not the brand True Glow, but, you know, it's like them. Got that open back sight. Yeah. And that wasn't too far, but I mean, you're not going to hit anything if you're hunting with it and kill anything from this far. Any farther than this. If you're using it for target, use pellets for that too. I mean, if you're just doing it for target practice and stuff. Yeah, that's just about it, but I mean, just wanted to give y'all a comparison of how the gun shoots in between the BBs and pellets. I mean, the BBs will hit close, it's just, they're scattered out, and other times it's just random where they're going to hit. So if you want good accuracy, use those pellets right there. Oh, and I was using copperhead pointed pellets. If y'all are wondering what kind of pellets I was using. Just subscribe, comment, thumbs up. It all helps. Thanks, and I'll be making another video of another gun or this gun sometime soon. Might make one of this pellet rifle I have right here. It's the kind where you break the barrel down and you put it in there. It's a Gammo Shadow 1000. I might do that later on, or I might make it tonight. Just subscribe to stay in.